Hi, welcome to cellphonetime.com. In this video, we will teach you how to create a business account on TikTok. After opening your TikTok app, you need to go to the account sign-up page. On the account sign-up page, you have to sign up using one of these options. Now, another page will open where you have to provide your date of birth. On the next page, enter your mobile phone number or create your account using your email address. After entering your password, which should include letters, numbers, and symbols, the next page will open where you have to set your username. That's it. Your TikTok business account has been created. Now, you can go to the Edit Profile section and add your preferred settings and details. Thank you very much for watching the video.